Welcome to Telefoto AI. So what you have here is the initial screen for preparing your photo shoot. In this screen, we have the users upload 8 photos, preferably high quality selfies or photos that others have taken of you. And we want to ensure that these photos have consistency to them. So that the photos we've selected all have kind of clarity of face, all have the consistent face, and that you don't have anybody else in those photos. So very, very important. Once you have that consistency there, you want to scroll down and go to our photo refinement and review process. In this process, you want to select your gender and you want to select any refinements. This could be if you wear glasses, if you have facial hair, if you have a head covering or any other type of hat, or wear a particular piece of jewelry such as earrings or necklaces. In the future, other refinements will be supported, and potentially this particular section may no longer be necessary. But right now, for better adhesion, especially for glasses and facial hair and for head coverings, we ask for consistency in the photos themselves and for the user to select the refinements. Click that, and that will launch your photo shoot. We've already launched the photo shoot, so we'll go right into headshots. Um, the photo shoot process, which is really the AI training process, which generates an AI model of your particular likeness with strong adhesion to your features, that takes about 90 seconds or so. Once that process is completed, you'll be then asked to create your first headshots. Here, whatever you've selected previously for your accessories will be selected, pre-selected for you, but you can also select if you'd like additional characteristics, such as maybe special earrings or necklaces that weren't in the original train model. Next, you can choose the background that you feel most appropriate. By default, we usually go with a classic gray, but there are many other backgrounds that you can select that might work better for the particular professional headshot you're going for. Next is your vibe. Choose from a wide range of vibes, including the default professional standard, which is a tried and true professional headshot vibe that we go for. There are corporate executive vibes, approachable vibes, creative vibes, and these are really just quick selections that kind of correspond to different options. Now, these options can be fine-tuned, and we give our Telephoto AI users the ability to fine-tune literally everything, including your head angles, your expressions. These are all pose and expression features. And you can see just this one section is pretty numerous. You could change the particular shoulder angle, your demeanor, your style and appearance, including the clothing style that you're wearing, your hairstyle, your complexion, photography settings that we use to generate your photo shoot and your headshots, framing, the mood, and lastly, your format and your aspect ratio, which by default, we actually choose to have a 5:4 or 4:5 aspect ratio because that is the gold standard for professional headshots. But you can certainly change that to a square aspect ratio, a more typical photograph aspect ratio, such as 5:7, or a classic aspect ratio, such as a 2:3 aspect ratio. You can generate up to 20 headshots at once, or you can generate a single headshot. Um, we usually default to 4 headshots because it'll give you a good range of options for the particular variations that you selected. And that's it. Once you hit generate headshots, about 30 seconds later, you'll have the headshots you've created, and we can select one of them right now, and you can zoom in, you can look at the level of detail. And yeah, I mean, you have to zoom in pretty far to really even look at any sort of artifacting that could indicate that potentially this is an AI generated headshot. But yeah, the clarity, quality is pretty exceptional. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough of Telephoto AI and really looking forward to seeing your creations out on LinkedIn and other social media. And let me know in the comments if there's any particular features that you want to see in future releases. Thanks again.